Hi, this is Yolanda Van Veen, and in this segment we're going to talk about how to arrange silk flowers. Silk flowers come in every shape and size imaginable. Pretty much any plant that's natural can be found as a silk flower. And there's just a few rules that I like to follow when I'm using silk flowers. So there's some rules of thumb when you're using silk flowers. And basically in design, you always want to use 3 of any one variety or one color. So if I'm mixing different types of gladiolus that are silk right here, I try to use at least 3 of any one color and have different size. You want the tallest one in the middle. And then that way, as you add more flowers too, you can work your way and straighten them out, and you want to fill it up. So my rule of thumb is to balance it out and try to use at least 3 of anything, or even go to 5 if you're using different colors. So the trick is to even it out and have them all balanced. And you can see this beautiful with red, but a lot of times using 2 or 3 colors makes all the difference. So having white mixed in is always beautiful too. And another rule of thumb I found is on smaller silk flowers, they get lost in a bigger bouquet. So let the vase tell you what to do. If you've got a small vase, use a small silk flower. If you have a larger vase, use larger silk flowers. And you don't want any of them get lost in the bouquet. So less is always more. So by just using a few flowers, you can have a beautiful arrangement that's a lot more showing than using a lot of flowers where most of them are just lost. And sticking to 1 or 2 or 3 colors I found is better than using all the colors or just one color, because they will set each other off. And you can always add filler, you can always add any type of silk flower to your arrangement to make it beautiful. And once you have the arrangement finished, you can put it anywhere in the house and it will last for decades. To clean it off, you can just throw the flowers right in the shower. They'll take the dust off and you can put them right back in the bouquets and get even more years out of them. Silk flowers are always a joy in your house and your business.